Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Joanne. Thank you so much for joining me, and welcome if you are new here. I make lots of cleaning and organization videos and would love to have you subscribe so you can see lots more of these types of videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing lots of cleaning, a bit of organizing, and also some meal prep. So I hope you enjoy. So here I had a lot of various organizing products, so I was just sorting them all out and putting them into containers so it's easy to go when I need an organizing product. I can look in one space and see what I've got. I was just going to get the linen on to wash so that I could replace that on the bed later. And as you can see, my dogs love to sit on the bed and look out the window and people watch. So it was just quick cuddle time before they had to get off and I could change the linen. So here I'm just sorting out our medicines and first aid products. So I'm just going through and checking anything that's expired and getting rid of that, and then grouping everything into categories. So here I'm getting everything prepped for 2 meals that I'm making. One is a bolognese and one is a chili con carne. So both using quite similar ingredients, but just varying up the flavor profiles of both of them. And I don't really follow a recipe for either of these. I just kind of throw in what I think. So the bolognese is mainly mince with some Italian sort of seasonings, onion, zucchini and tomato. And then the chili con carne uses taco seasoning as the flavoring, and tons of veggies and lots of different beans and canned veg as well. Both of these meals that I'm making are really versatile, so you can use them in a number of ways to create different meals. So the bolognese can be used simply with pasta or in a lasagna, and the chili can be served with rice, it can be served with corn chips as nachos, or it can be used with lettuce and other Mexican sort of toppings as burrito bowls. So the options are endless with recipes like these. So you'll see that both the pots I'm using are quite large and are pretty full as well, because I'm making double batches so that I can freeze, and I like to do this a lot because it's just so much easier when you're chopping a lot of veggies to just do it all in one go and make something in bulk and then freeze them. And what I like to do is let the leftovers cool down to room temperature, and then I put them in snap-lock bags and I freeze them in flat layers so that they're much faster to defrost. So I'm just putting the linen back on the bed, and I hate when the fitted sheet moves around while you're sleeping. It really annoys me. So I bought these fitted sheet clips. You can just buy them off Amazon, which is where I got them, and you can see they've just got 3 points to them and clip onto the corner and the top and the side, and they just really help to hold the fitted sheet in place, and I found it makes a big difference. There is still a little bit of movement and the sheet can move, but it doesn't completely lift off the corner of the bed, so I really like using them now. And you saw my 2 beautiful dogs earlier, so you know that my floors are always covered in dog fur, no matter how much I vacuum, there's always dog fur on the ground, so it was time for a good vacuum mop. So I used my Tineco Floor One S3 vacuum mop, and I do have a review on that. You can check that out. I'll leave that linked up in the cards. And I'm just using a floor cleaner with hot water in the machine. It's both disgusting and satisfying to see how dirty the water is, to know that my floors have been cleaned, but also really gross to see what exactly the machine picks up. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some cleaning motivation, and I'll see you in my next video.